Welcome to Lesson 2 of Algebraic Concepts, Order of Operations, Part 1. Here's our objective. You can always pause the video and watch it at your own time, on your own time. Our vocabulary, again, some rules and notes for you to read through. And since there were a lot of rules and notes, I'm not going to read through them all. I will highlight important factoids as we go through the videos or other videos. So you may be used to PEMDAS, where we're used to looking at parentheses, but GEMDAS is a little bit better because we also have brackets which go on the outside of parentheses, and we also have braces which go on the outside of brackets. So you would do parentheses first, then the bracket second, and then the braces last. And you may see these problems in part 2 of this video. Okay, simplify. So, according to order of operations, you do your multiplication and division first because they're equal. So we have negative 48 minus, and then division goes next. So multiplication and division. 60 divided by 12 is 5. Negative 48 minus 5 is negative 53. And if you type this into a calculator, you will get this same answer. Okay, so now we're looking at a division problem here. So what we would do is treat the numerator separately from the denominator. So do everything up top first, separately from everything on the bottom. So what we have is 2 cubed is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. 16 plus 4 is 20. Divided by 5 times 8. And some people are going to say it doesn't matter how you do the next step, but what's important is that multiplication and division are equal. So you would do the 20 divided by 5 first, which would give you 4, then multiply by 8 over 8. And as we can see, 4 times 8 divided by 8, the 8's will cancel out and we'll be left with 4. So if you have a computer calculator and you're trying to solve this problem, I would suggest typing the top in separately from the bottom. So you would type it in just like it's written, parentheses 16 plus 4, divide by 5, multiply by 8. Get your numerator, then do the denominator separately, and you should get 4. Okay, so those were our 2 examples. I will see you at the end of the video for the recap. Okay, these look a little trickier than they seem, but it's not that bad. 3 times -6 is -18. Keep your brackets. Plus 15 divided by 3, which is 5. -18 plus 5 is -13. Problem 2, 1/2 squared. Like I said, solve the top separately from the bottom. So 1/2 squared becomes 1/4. And if you need some clarification on this, go back in the numbers and operations and find the exponents ones. So 18 times 2 is 36. Then divide that by 12, which gives you 3. 3 minus 4 is -1. So 1/4 divided by -1 gives us -1/4. Okay, so that was our last problem in this lesson. So if you like what you see, please hit subscribe to this channel and the notification bell. And once again, thank you for watching this video and channel.